every year you have always been a great support to our trust and our foundation, so I thank you for that. To begin with, I must apologize that Lata Didi is not attending today's press conference. The only reason being is that she's had a cavity filling in her tooth and she's having a little bit of a pain and has taken painkillers, so she's resting. So that is the only reason why she is unable to attend today's press conference. This is a development that has just taken place a couple of hours ago. That she had this thing, the doctor came and has given her a painkiller for her tooth. It's actually a problem with the filling actually, that's why. So in her absence, we requested Usha aunty to come here and be here present with all of us. So as you've been informed, we requested this press conference to announce the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Smriti Pratishthan Awards this year. As has been the practice and the norm for all these years. The awards will be given by the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Smriti Pratishthan on the 24th of April. The 24th of April is the memorial day, the death anniversary day of my grandfather, Master Dinanath Mangeshkar. And from the year 1943, the family has been, observing it. Sure. Yeah, whatever you said.
मराठी का नीचे ऊपर का फोल्डर के नीचे 25 नीचे का निकल इधर लाओ हाँ बोलो बाकी फोल्डर सब दे दो उत्तम जी
24th April is the memorial day, the death anniversary of my grandfather, Master Dinanath Mangeshkar, and the family has been observing it unbroken since 1943. We formed the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Trust in 1988, as you will see in the press note that will be circulated to you. This is a public charitable trust, and every year the Pratishthan, the trust, felicitates legendary musicians, dramatists, people from the areas and fields of drama, the arts, social work, and we present them the Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar, which is a memento and a cash prize. So I'm very pleased to announce on behalf of the trust and the family the recipients for this year's awards. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for music, for outstanding services to the field of music, is being awarded to Pandit Suresh Talwalkar, the renowned tabla maestro. The Mohan Wagh Puraskar, which is for outstanding services in the field of drama, has been awarded this year to the production house known as Amruta Productions for the best drama Tya Tighanchi Goshta for Shri Ashok Narkar. The Anandmayi Puraskar has been awarded to Srimati Asha Kamath, who is the founder of the Yash Sneha Trust, for outstanding social service, and it has been awarded to their Sneha Jyoti Nivasi Blind School in Dapoli, Maharashtra. The Adi Shakti Puraskar, which is to recognize the services of ladies for outstanding services in their respective field, has been awarded to Srimati Aparna Shankar Abhyankar. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Vishesh Puraskar for excellence in Marathi theatre and cinema has been awarded to Shri Dilip Prabhavalkar. The Vag Vilasini Puraskar, which is for outstanding services in the field of literature, has been awarded to Dr. Bhalchandra Nemade. The Master Dinanath Puraskar for outstanding services to the field of journalism has been awarded to Shri Kumar Ketkar. And the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Vishesh Puraskar for outstanding services in the field of cinema has been awarded to Shri Anil Kapoor. As you know, all these people are outstanding legends and luminaries in their respective fields and need absolutely no recognition. I think we all are fans of people like Pandit Suresh ji or Anil Kapoor ji. So basically, these are the awards that the trust will be giving out. I'll request Mr. Ravi Joshi to just tell you a little bit about our trust. So the year it was formed, and after the award ceremony takes place, it will be followed by a concert of Shri Sonu Nigam, a Hindi film music concert of Shri Sonu Nigam. Let me also tell you that the award consists of a memento that's given and a cash prize of rupees 1,01,000. Yes, and I'm very pleased to announce and very honored to announce that the program will be chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji, and Shri Vinod Tawde ji, our Cultural Minister, in his presence. He is our chief guest, so we are very honored to announce that. Shanmukhananda Hall, Mumbai. Just a small thing, I'll just bring it to your notice. As you've noticed that the award for excellence in the field of literature is being awarded to Shri Bhalchandra Nemade ji. He is a very legendary person from the world of literature, and he is also the Jnanpith awardee this year. But we are very happy, as a coincidence, to share with you that we had already decided upon his name in the month of January itself and approached him. So we were very happy that he accepted our award, and then the honorable Jnanpith was conferred upon him. As you know, that each and every of these awards will be given to the recipients, to the luminaries who are attending, at the hands of Didi Lata Didi Hadel. So she will be present as she always every year. She is the pivot, the soul behind the whole thing. So she has never missed a single of this function ever. So she would be present, and everybody would be given the awards at her hands. So if there are any questions that you would like to ask about the trust or anything else, we'd be happy to answer them.
known faces हैं, चाहे वो ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड विनर तिवारी जी हो या फिर अनिल कपूर, किस बेसिस पे आप सिलेक्ट करते हैं या क्या प्रोसेस रहती है जो इन लोगों को चुनाने?
प्रोसेस अरुणा, एक तो इज दैट फॉर एग्जांपल अभी ये जो पुरस्कार है, जो आनंदमयी जो मोहन बाग पुरस्कार है, दैट इज वी हैव अ कमिटी ऑफ 3 people who goes and actually sees all the plays. जो उत्तम नाटक हैं इस साल के, वो लोग जाते हैं, वो देखते हैं, वो they go and evaluate and then they decide कि this is the best, and फिर वो ट्रस्ट को अप्रोच करते हैं और ट्रस्टीज हैं, बाबा हैं, so then they take a decision based on what the jury gives them so that is the process really. So it's the jury that goes independently, observes things on its own. परीक्षकांची नाव
यावेळेला शिरीष रायरीकर आहे.
शिरीष रायरीकर मनोरंजन थिएटर्स पुण्यात ते आहे,
आणि रानाडेकर मुंबईचा.
आणि पूर्ण नाव आहे
but this पण हे जे परीक्षक आहेत, this is only for हे मोहन बाग पुरस्कार. So I'm answering your question, and all the remaining awards they are decided by हिंदी में ओके और जो दूसरे पुरस्कार है, ये मोहन बाग पुरस्कार के अलावा मोहन बाग पुरस्कार जो है, जो नाट्य क्षेत्र के लिए हैं, इसमें तो जूरी होती है जो डिसाइड करके फिर दीदी या बाबा को नाम बताती है. और जो दूसरे पुरस्कार हैं ये दीदी और बाबा ये दोनों ही प्रमुख है जो चुनते हैं. एंड and people from the family, we give our suggestions, but it is basically Didi and Baba who decide ki this year Pandit Suresh Talwalkar ji ya Shri Anil Kapoor ji ya Shri Nimadi ji should be.
इसमें प्लेबैक सिंगर की कोई कैटेगरी नहीं रखी गई, खास करके फीमेल प्लेबैक सिंगर या ऐसी कोई कैटेगरी नहीं.
इसमें भाई साहब ऐसा है कि इट इज फॉर सर्विसेज इन द फील्ड ऑफ आउटस्टैंडिंग सर्विसेज इन द फील्ड ऑफ म्यूजिक. अब इसमें वादन भी है, गायन भी है, प्लेबैक भी है, शास्त्रीय भी है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल एक महान इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट जैसे कि उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन खान साहब, इन्हें पिछले साल दिया था, उसके पहले मन्ना डे साहब को भी दिया था. तो इट इज़ फॉर म्यूजिक. तो इसमें बी एड वोकल हो, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल हो, लाइट हो. हरिहरन जी को दिया है, सुरेश वाडकर जी को दिया है. एक्चुअली प्रेस नोट हम आपको देंगे, उसमें पूरी लिस्ट है जो तो उसमें मतलब काफी सीनियर म्यूजिशियंस हैव बीन कवर्ड. श्रीमती हीराबाई बड़ोदेकर वाज द फर्स्ट रिसिपिएंट ऑफ दिस अवार्ड इन 1989. और फिर पंडित भीमसेन जी, पंडित जसराज जी, डॉक्टर बाल मुरली कृष्ण. It's quite a long Last year was Ustad Zakir Hussain Khan साहब.
बॉलिवूडमध्ये इतके दिग्गज असताना अनिल कपूरांचं नाव कसं काय आलं?
मला वाटतं ॲक्च्युली दीदी आणि बाबाच हे ठरवतात. तुला मी कमेंट करायची की अनिल कपूरजींना कसं काय.
आपण दरवर्षी जुने त्यांनी खूप काम केलेले असे नटांनाच आम्ही देतो.
ॲक्च्युली तुम्हाला खरं सांगायचं तर आपण खूप दिग्गज लोकांना पण आपण कव्हर केलं आहे. म्हणजे राईट फ्रॉम डॉक्टर शिवाजी गणेशन अँड शमी कपूर जी टू दिलीप कुमार साहब, धर्मेंद्र जी. लास्ट ईयर ऋषि कपूर जी वॉज
आउटस्टँडिंग. आणि हेमा
मालिनी जी, रेखा जी. There's a whole list, you can see it, past recipients here. आणि काही आपल्याला विचारायचं असेल तर अवॉर्ड्स बद्दल एनीथिंग दॅट एनीबडी वुड लाईक टू आस्क.
कोई सवाल जवाब
नहीं हे सगळे
Pritam, if anybody wants to ask anything, or should we do that?
मराठीतून नाव पाहिजे.
नाही म्हणजे ही सगळी पूर्ण माहिती आहे मराठीचं तुम्ही जर सांगितलं.
मराठी की माहिती
जस्ट हायलाइट्सच त्यांना की 88 साली आपण ट्रस्ट सुरू केला आणि